Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you on an exciting journey through the top 7 places you must visit in Singapore. This island nation, a beacon of modernity and tradition, holds a captivating blend of vibrant culture, futuristic architecture, and natural beauty. From the heights of Marina Bay Sands to the tranquil oasis of Gardens by the Bay, prepare to be enthralled by the wonders that await. Let's dive in. Our first stop takes us to the heart of Singapore's skyline, where the iconic Marina Bay Sands reigns supreme. This integrated resort is an architectural marvel, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. 3 towering pillars soar skyward, crowned by a ship-like structure that seems to float effortlessly atop. But the true jewel of Marina Bay Sands lies at its peak, the world-famous infinity pool. Stretching longer than the Eiffel Tower laid down, this aquatic oasis offers unparalleled views of the cityscape. Imagine yourself taking a dip in the crystal-clear waters, the glittering skyscrapers reflecting in your eyes as the sun sets on the horizon. As twilight descends, the city transforms into a symphony of lights. From the observation deck at Marina Bay Sands, you'll witness a breathtaking panorama of Singapore's illuminated landmarks. The vibrant colours dance across the water, creating a mesmerising spectacle that will leave you awe-inspired. And let's not forget the world-class dining, shopping and entertainment options that Marina Bay Sands offers. From Michelin-starred restaurants to luxury boutiques, this integrated resort has something to satisfy every desire. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a taste of the extraordinary, Marina Bay Sands is an experience you won't soon forget. From the urban jungle, we venture into a realm where nature and technology intertwine harmoniously. Gardens by the Bay. This oasis is a testament to Singapore's commitment to sustainability and innovation. The Supertree Grove, with structures up to 16 stories high, is a marvel of engineering and artistry. At night, the super trees come alive with a dazzling display of lights and sounds. Step into the Flower Dome, the largest glass greenhouse in the world, and be transported to a Mediterranean paradise. Next door, the Cloud Forest offers misty mountains and cascading waterfalls. Gardens by the Bay is also a haven for education and conservation, highlighting biodiversity and sustainability. Stroll through tranquil pathways and appreciate the balance between nature and human ingenuity. Prepare for a day of exhilaration and amusement as we set sail for Sentosa Island, Singapore's ultimate entertainment destination. From heart-pounding roller coasters to pristine beaches, Sentosa offers something for everyone. For adrenaline junkies, Universal Studios Singapore is a must-visit. Experience the thrills of Hollywood blockbusters as you soar through the air on Battlestar Galactica, Human vs. Cylon trademark, or come face-to-face with dinosaurs on the Jurassic Park Rapids Adventure trademark. Seeking a more relaxing escape? Sentosa's pristine beaches beckon with their golden sands and crystal-clear waters. Unwind on the shores of Palawan Beach, build sandcastles with your loved ones, or simply soak up the sun while enjoying refreshing coconut water. History buffs will appreciate Fort Siloso, a preserved military fort that played a significant role in Singapore's history. Explore the underground tunnels, witness the remnants of war, and gain a deeper understanding of Singapore's past. As the sun begins to set, make your way to the southernmost point of continental Asia, marked by a towering sculpture of a globe. Here, you can capture breathtaking photos of the sunset over the horizon, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Sentosa Island promises a day filled with unforgettable experiences. Chapter 4. Chinatown, a tapestry of culture and heritage. Immerse yourself in the vibrant tapestry of Singapore's Chinese heritage as we venture into the heart of Chinatown. This bustling district is a sensory feast, where the aromas of traditional delicacies mingle with the sounds of hawker centres and the sights of colourful temples. Begin your exploration at the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple and Museum, a magnificent architectural masterpiece that houses a sacred relic of the Buddha. Step inside to admire the intricate carvings, vibrant murals, and serene atmosphere. Next, wander through the narrow streets lined with shops selling everything from traditional Chinese medicine to exquisite silks. Haggle for souvenirs, sample local delicacies like Bat KWA, and soak up the lively atmosphere. As evening descends, Chinatown transforms into a culinary paradise. Food stalls come alive, offering a tantalizing array of dishes from all over China. Indulge in Hainanese chicken rice, savor the flavors of dim sum, or satisfy your sweet tooth with traditional Chinese desserts. Chinatown is not just a place to shop and dine, it's also a hub for cultural events and festivals. Throughout the year, the streets come alive with the sights and sounds of Chinese New Year, the Mid-Autumn Festival, and other vibrant celebrations. Whether you're seeking cultural immersion, culinary delights, or simply a glimpse into Singapore's rich heritage, Chinatown is a destination that will captivate your senses. Chapter 5: Orchard Road, a shopaholic's paradise. Get ready to shop till you drop as we make our way to Orchard Road, Singapore's premier shopping destination. This bustling boulevard is a shopper's dream come true, lined with gleaming malls, department stores, and luxury boutiques. From high street fashion to designer labels, Orchard Road has something to satisfy every taste and budget. Explore the sprawling Ion Orchard, home to a curated selection of luxury brands, or browse the latest trends at Paragon, known for its high-end fashion and lifestyle offerings. For a more local shopping experience, head to Tang's, a department store that has been a Singaporean institution for decades. Here you'll find a unique mix of local and international brands, as well as a wide selection of souvenirs and gifts. But Orchard Road is not just about shopping. The boulevard is also home to a variety of dining options, from Michelin-starred restaurants to casual cafes. Take a break from your shopping spree to enjoy a delicious meal, sip on a refreshing beverage, and watch the world go by. As the sun begins to set, Orchard Road transforms into a magical wonderland of lights. The trees along the boulevard are adorned with twinkling lights, creating a festive atmosphere that is perfect for a romantic stroll or a fun night out with friends. Whether you're a seasoned shopaholic or simply looking for a unique shopping experience, Orchard Road is a destination that will leave you spoilt for choice. Chapter 6: Singapore Zoo, a wildlife adventure awaits. Embark on an unforgettable wildlife adventure at the award-winning Singapore Zoo, renowned for its open-concept enclosures. Encounter creatures from around the globe, from majestic orangutans to playful penguins. Step into the fragile forest biodome, a haven for Southeast Asian rainforest biodiversity. Marvel at free-flying birds, colorful butterflies, and curious mouse deer. Venture into the primate kingdom and come face to face with our closest relatives. Observe the intelligence of chimpanzees and the playful antics of macaques. At the Wild Africa Zone, witness the grace of zebras and the power of lions. The Singapore Zoo's naturalistic environments provide an unparalleled opportunity to observe animals behaving as they would in the wild. The Singapore Zoo is a conservation hub dedicated to protecting endangered species and educating the public. Your visit supports their efforts to preserve our planet's biodiversity for generations to come. Chapter 7: Clarke Quay, where the night comes alive. As the sun sets on our Singaporean adventure, prepare to experience the city's vibrant nightlife at Clarke Quay, a historical riverside district that transforms into a bustling entertainment hub after dark. Along the banks of the Singapore River, colourful restaurants and bars spill out onto the cobblestone streets, offering a tantalizing array of cuisines from around the world. Indulge in fresh seafood, savor the flavors of Asian fusion, or enjoy a romantic dinner with stunning river views. As the night heats up, live music fills the air, enticing you to dance the night away. From jazz bars to nightclubs, Clarke Quay offers a diverse range of entertainment options to suit every taste. For a unique perspective on the city, embark on a river cruise. Glide along the Singapore River, taking in the illuminated skyline and the vibrant atmosphere of Clarke Quay from the water. If you're feeling adventurous, try reverse bungee jumping or experience the thrill of the GX5 Extreme Swing. Clarke Quay offers a plethora of adrenaline-pumping activities for those seeking an extra dose of excitement. Whether you're looking for a romantic evening, a fun night out with friends, or simply a taste of Singapore's vibrant nightlife, Clarke Quay is the perfect destination to end your day on a high note. Until next time, Singapore, thanks for joining us on this tour of Singapore's top attractions. From the futuristic gardens to the thrilling entertainment and the cultural treasures, we've only just scratched the surface of what this incredible country has to offer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. See you in the next video.